to my YouTube channel. I have just finished filming a very satisfying video that I'm very excited to share with you. First of all, if you're new, hi, my name is Ellie. I am a mummy vlogger, I suppose, but I also do a lot of videos about home and cleaning and organising and that kind of thing. I wish I'd put a little bit of makeup on for this video. I've literally just done the school run, just got back, and I just thought, I'll just film it now. Fresh faced. But anyway, I think you guys are gonna love this video. I went to IKEA yesterday and found some really good bits, got some really useful bits, and I thought I'm definitely gonna do this in a video because I know you guys will love it. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you my IKEA haul, everything that I got from IKEA yesterday for my family home. I will try and link the products from the IKEA website if they're on there in the description box. But yeah, let's just get on with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you at the end. So the first thing I picked up was this nifty plastic bag storage. So it looks like this when you buy it, but you clip it all together and it turns into this shape here. It comes with sticky pads on the back, so you just stick it straight to the wall or wherever you want it to go, and you fill it with plastic bags. I have put mine on the wall in the utility room, and it's just really tidied up the space. The next thing I picked up was this plate and dish organizer. I love the natural wood of it, and I'm going to use it to tidy up our plate cupboard. As you can see, the right hand side, these big dishes take up loads of room. So I put in the organizer and I stack them all upwards like this, and it has made so much extra room in the cupboard, and it looks really pretty too. Next up, I got lots of artificial plants for the garden for our centerpiece on our dining table. So I got 3 different types of artificial plant, and I'm just going to pop them in these pots here to go in the middle of our table. I love the IKEA artificial plants. They're only £5 each. I have so many of them dotted around my house. So these are the newest additions. Okay, next up I got these black picture shelves, but I'm actually going to use them to make a bookshelf for my son Leo. I got 2 of them and I'm going to stack them on this wall here, and I'm going to use them to store his books. Slight problem though, I went to install it and the drill ran out of batteries unfortunately, so I'm not able to show you the finished result, but they are going to go, as you can see, where I'm doing it on the wall here, and they will neatly store his books. He has a lot of books, so it should really tidy up his bedroom. For my eldest son, I got these 2 drawer organizers. I put them in this drawer here to neatly tidy up his socks and underwear. He won't care at all, but it makes me very happy. I love this accessory here. This is to go with the IKEA loft bed. It just goes onto the side of the top of the loft bed like this, and it's a little bit of storage for him to store books or toys or a drink or whatever he needs to have up when he's in bed. Next up, I also got him this handy little storage unit. I can't remember the name, but I will link it below. And silly me, you can fit 3 boxes in there, but I only picked up 2. So I put his costumes in there and his school uniform, and obviously there is room for another drawer as well. So next time I'm in IKEA, I will pick up an extra drawer. I can never measure these things right. Lastly, I got a couple of the IKEA black photo frames. I love how simple these are and how elegantly they jazz up a wall. This wall space was completely blank and now it looks really, really lovely. And I didn't even use any nails, I just stuck them on with the Command sticky strips. So there you go, that was my final thing that I got in my IKEA haul. There you go guys, there's what I got in IKEA on my little haul yesterday. Lots of bits that I needed and lots of bits that I didn't even know that I needed. Isn't that just what happens in IKEA? So this fresh faced mama has got some work to get on with now. I'm gonna go get on with some work before Cooper wakes up. But thank you so much for watching my latest video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.